This problem is from the production theory of microeconomics. It says that if the average product of labor is 30L minus L square, what is the maximum possible total product of labor? Here we need to understand that this L means the labor. And as average product of labor is given and we have to calculate the maximum possible total product. So total product of labor is equals average product of labor multiplied by labor. So with this equation we can calculate the total product of labor as average product of labor is given. So our TL will be 30L minus L square and this whole multiplied by labor. Here we'll get the equation of total product of labor as 30L square minus L cube. So this is our equation for total product of labor. Now they have asked what is the maximum possible total product. So maximum possible total product is when the marginal product of labor equals to 0. So we can say that total product of labor will be maximized when marginal product of labor equals to 0. So that does mean that beyond that, if you marginal product of labor does mean that it's the last addition to the labor beyond which your production will minimize, will not maximize. So maximum possibility to produce more is when your marginal product of labor is 0. So from total product of labor we have to calculate marginal product of labor, and marginal product of labor equals the derivation of total product of labor, that is this After deriving this equation, we will get the marginal product of labor as derivation of 30L square. As the rule of derivation says that this power factor goes for the multiplication, so it will become 60. So the 60L, and 1 will get minimized from the power function. The power function is 2 minus 1. The derivation of L cube. So here the coefficient is 1, so 3 into 1 will be 3L, and 1 will get minimized from the power function, that is 3 minus 1. So our marginal product of labor will be 60L. So from 2 1 will get minimized, that is 1, so 60L minus 3L square. So as we get the marginal product of labor, equate this marginal product of labor with 0. We'll get, if we take L into common, so it will be L 60 minus 3L equals to 0. So with this equation we can say that L equals to 0 or 60 minus 3L equals to 0. These two are the possibility. So employing zero labor is not possible. So this is the possibility that 60 minus 3L equals to 0. We can say that from this equation is 60 equals 3L, right? That does mean that L equals 60 divided by 3, that is 20. So when labor is 20, the marginal product of labor is 0. That does mean that when 20 laborers will employ, at that level we can achieve the maximum possible total product. Now let's calculate the total product of labor, which is maximum. So the total product equation is given as here, and we have to put the value of labor, that is 20. So the total product of labor equals 30 into 20 square minus 20 cube. So the total product of labor equals 30 into 20 square, that is 400. This minus 20 cube, that is 8,000. So it will be 30 into 400 is 12,000 minus 8,000, that is 4,000. So maximum possible total product of labor is 4,000.